That's my flow. Like, cough up a lung, where I'm from, Washington, ain't nothing nice. Huh? Cheer. Yo, 10K in my jean pocket. Ballin' on these niggas, no Rasheed Wallace. No bones up in my shit, I got a clean closet. And the birds be flying south, we know the scene tropic. Another 10 for the lawyer though. I be dogging all these bitches up on Hoya flow. Reminiscing about them days up on that corner flow. Selling flour, best believe I was up on that dough. SMG, I put the team together. Made a promise to stay loyal and get green together. If it's war, you best believe my niggas clean together. Every week on Saturdays we hit the key together. And if your bitch was there, I probably hit it. And if you name it motherfucker, I most likely did it. Kept the hammer on my side, you know I'm hardly slipping. Niggas playing house party, yeah, y'all gotta be kidding. Snap this picture, then come catch this moment. Pockets like a pregnant bitch that just started showing. I'm the man up on the source, I be P.O.'ing. Tried to tell me slow it down, but I'ma keep on going. Cause I was taught time is of the essence. And to cherish every minute, every fucking second. Little cousin with the seed by that bitch Alexis. Then he took Lay in and told her get the steppin'. Funny nigga on his Martin shit. I be leading, I don't follow, I be starting shit. If my money go low, I'm on some starving shit. Fuck a Batman, I be on that robbing shit. Poking, picking, I be carving shit. Going 6 net flow on that carving shit. Best believe there's some G's on that Marvin shit. I'm in the dealer trying to figure out what car to get. And Mary G's in the car to get. Laces hanging on the J's on my Harlem shit. Said you smell me cause I'm shitting, got a part in it. But real niggas feel my songs, I put my heart in it. And constant practice make the game tight. A sad flick of the wrist to make the cane right. He bought a brick and came back in the same night. Like I don't know what you did, but boy you came right. And I'm just chef, boy I mention it. And if a nigga had a strip, I was hitting it. Way before Mac Baller, I was getting it. They let me out the cage, now it's time to get lit again. Niggas eating, I'm like, where mine? And the gun is like a fit, you know I wear mine. Niggas better be prepared cause the shit mine. I'ma really show you piss heads how to kill time. The cage is open and the beast is out. Set up shop up on that block, I bring the pieces out. Outback, made back, fuck you beefing bout. I done broke the West End and come see what this East about. How real is this?